Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the phone has enough charge. Low power mode can block background tasks. Once charged above about 10%, open settings then battery, or swipe to control center for a quick toggle. Make sure you close intensely draining apps so the system won't immediately re-enter low power mode. Also enable Wi-Fi if you plan large downloads. This reduces cellular power draw. These first steps set the device to accept normal power behavior and avoid backsliding. Now you flip the actual switch. Disable low power mode in battery settings or tap the control center icon. Once turned off, make sure background app refresh and mail fetch are set to your preferred frequencies so apps update normally. Low power mode may have altered them. Then restore display brightness and performance limits you previously reduced because the system throttles CPU to save battery. These mid-step adjustments return device behavior to normal while preventing sudden battery spike. You finish by observing battery and app behavior for about 15 to 30 minutes. This confirms normal power profiles resumed. If settings don't apply or the toggle resets, restart the device to clear temporary firmware states. Should battery drain unexpectedly after disabling low power mode, selectively re-enable optimizations, turn off heavy refresh for specific apps or lower brightness, rather than returning fully to low power mode. Quick troubleshooting like a reboot usually resolves stubborn toggles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.